This is a flop. Oh, that's not bad right here. Ooh. Okay. What's going on? So finally we're here. It's been a couple hours. So my husband lined me up. I'm fresh now, so let me just show you what the cut looks like. So he lined me up, he lined up my sides. I ended up washing my hair with the chocolate Kinks Kurls. I'll try to leave the link down below to all the products I used. And then after I washed my hair with that, I'm deep conditioned with Annabelle's Perfect Blend Strawberry, Mango, and Aloe Moisturizing Conditioner. Remember, I have low porosity hair, so I use a moisturizing conditioner 3 times out the month, and then once a month I use a protein deep conditioner since I am protein sensitive. So once I finished deep conditioning, I applied my leave-in conditioner and half of my styler. So I used Nature's Little Secret Banana Leave-In Conditioner. This is officially done. I need to re-up. And then I applied the Avocado Moisture Cream made with avocado oil and butter. These 2 products are everything. Actually, the whole line is everything. Stay tuned for a review. In that video, I don't have my shaved sides, so that's how you know I filmed it a long time ago, but I have to put that out. So the only thing I'm doing today is just adding the Irish Moss Styling Cream. It's a very thick cream. I love it. And I'm going to use a little bit of it and use one of my new Denman brushes. Thank you, Denman. Not sponsored. And add some Flexi rods. So I want to hurry up and get this done because the baby sleeps. So I'm going to try to hurry up and style my hair as fast as I can. One thing I love about having shaved sides is that the styling process goes by so much faster. I really wanted to have my hair done earlier because my hair takes forever to dry. So I'm going to lift this up a little bit. Better. So that you guys can actually see my hair. Hold on, I gotta hydrate. I'm kind of dehydrated. So good. So I have to admit I'm dehydrated. I haven't been drinking my water the past 2 days. So I'm gonna just take a section and put my sleeves up. So I'm gonna grab only that much, very thick, and I'm just gonna apply that to my hair. I'm not adding gel just because I don't want my hair to be mad stiff. So I'm going in, making sure it's good to go. And then I'm going in with my Denman brush. Make sure all them tangles is really out. I have a lot of product in my hair, so if I have a lot of product in it, that's gonna take even more. It's gonna take longer for my hair to adjust. I'm about to squeeze the excess in the sink. Did you guys hear that? All right. So I have linked up top and down in the description my Flexi rod videos. I have videos on how to install them, how to take them down, how to separate, and all the juicy details. And so make sure that you check out those videos. I will go a little bit in detail now, but I'm going to speed up most of this install process. So the goal of this hairstyle is to pretty much have my hair all the way to the side. So after I finish this rod, I'm about to just speed through this video because I want to be done. I got some stuff I want to get done today. Actually, I have a lot of stuff I want to get done today. And since I have the house to myself, while baby sleep, I want to take advantage.
And since I have the house to myself, while baby sleep, I want to take advantage.
Alright, so this is what it looks like. Let me see for myself what it looks like. It's okay. It's alright. It's not as perfect as I would like it to be. However, we're just gonna get through this. So let me hurry up. So because I have the opportunity to share some key pointers when flexi rotting, this is it. Make sure that your hair is fully detangled when you are installing. I like to use my wide tooth comb and then a Denman brush before I grab a section and install. I like to install from the bottom to the top. Make sure that you take your time. It's slick down, it's nice and tight, and always use smaller sections because the bigger sections will take forever to dry. I use no heat when drying, so literally my hair takes 2 days to fully dry, and that doesn't help. So that's one tip, actually several. Okay, I am officially back. I'm done. So this is what my hair looks like. We shall see how it turns out. I don't know how it's going to turn out. Hopefully it turns out good. If not, we're just gonna finesse it and we're just gonna make sure that it, you know what I'm saying, it comes out cute. We'll figure it out. So I'll let my hair dry. I'm about to edit this video and I will show you guys the results in a little bit. Okay, so you guys remember when I said my hair takes 2 days to dry? Well, this is the next day. Unfortunately, I have to take them down. We had somewhere to go and I couldn't have flexi rods in my hair. So here I am taking day 1 old flexi rods out. My hair is still wet. It is not dry. And so what I don't like about flexi rodding when I know I cannot dry my hair fully is that my hair is going to look like poop. I mean... This right here, hold on a second. Okay, so let's get this straight. I'm using cold air to remove the curls from my roots because my vision is to have straight or semi-straight roots and then curly hair. So I'm just using cold air. I am not using any heat whatsoever. My vision, like I said, was to have all my hair to the side. And honestly, the only way to get my hair semi-straight would be to add some heat to it, and I didn't want to do that. I didn't want to flat iron, so I just used a brush and I used my cold air. Like I said, because my hair was already wet, I needed to make sure that it was dry. Whenever you try to separate curls that are wet, your hair will become frizzy. So you will see that some curls just come out looking all wonky and funky and just not cute, but we made this style work. Thank God. So right now I'm using the end of my rat tail comb to honestly just push it down. I feel like the style is just way too high. So I just wanted to flatten it out a bit. And since I did my right side, I'm moving on to my left. And as you can see, I'm just using the rat tail comb to really just stretch my hair out. And that's typically what I'm doing. I'm not going all the way down because I don't want the curls to get messed up. I don't want to remove the curl. Even if I had it for a day and I slept all uncomfortable, we are going to make this style work. So now I am just going in and separating. When you separate, you want to make sure that you're using some type of oil to separate your hair, because if you don't use oil, you are prone to causing frizz, and you don't want that. You want this style to come out as cute as possible. So ultimately, I am just separating. I'm literally just freehanding it. Like I said, refer to my flexi rod videos so you can see the proper technique when you are flexi rodding. Because my hair is wet, I'm really just trying not to manipulate my curls as much as I normally do. And when I say manipulate, I mean like really separate, really twirl them around your fingers. There's not much I can do to the curls that are not dry
because they are just frizzy. And as you can see with the chunk I am separating, there is not much definition. I mean, you can see some definition in some of the curls, but in that front section, you don't really see it. So that's that.
This is a flop. This is a flop. So what do I do now?
So ultimately, because this style was a flop, then I did everything I could to try to save it, separate and twirl. It didn't work out. So I was just going to put it up in a ponytail, a high ponytail, because sometimes when you have a failed Flexi Rod set, the ends are still cute enough that you can wear a high ponytail and save it. But even this looks ugly. So this is where things took a turn. Are you ready? Watch.
Oh, that's not bad right here. Ooh. Okay.
Who would have thought that a simple hair flip was just going to change it up? Now, don't get me wrong. The frizzy areas remained frizzy, and you'll get a nice view of what that looks like in the next clip. But as of right now, this works. Flip the hair to the side. You still have some curls. You have loose curls. Some of them are defined, some of them are not, but it's okay. It is okay, literally. I was feeling myself. I mean, I came to terms with how crazy it kind of looked, but after I changed clothes, threw on a little bit of makeup, a little bit of gloss, I loved the style. Now, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see to my right side, I do have a lot of definition, but to my left, which is what you're looking at, I have a frizz. Most of that area is not even defined like that. So like I said, if you really want that soft curls look and you want your curls to be nice and uniform, make sure that your hair is dry all the way before you take them down. Because you see that potential? Baby, listen. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have had a failed hairstyle and if you saved it, if you didn't, if you just bunned it up or washed your hair all over again. Subscribe to my channel, follow me, and I'll catch you next time.